Are you tired of financial stress? Tired of the constant noise from the market pushing you to either make impulsive choices or do nothing at all? It feels like you're caught between a rock and a hard place. You see stories of people getting rich overnight, and the fear of missing out is real. But you also see the market dip, and the fear of losing everything is just as powerful. This video is designed to cut through all of that complexity. We're going to give you a clear, simple path forward. Before we get to the solution, let's talk about the real enemy of your financial growth: complexity. The financial world thrives on it. It creates a sense of urgency and confusion that leads to two major problems. The first is analysis paralysis. You spend so much time researching and reading articles that you become completely overwhelmed and never actually make a decision. The second problem is emotional investing. This is where your own instincts become your worst enemy. You panic sell when the market takes a dip, locking in your losses. This cycle of fear and greed is exhausting, and it's a guaranteed way to hurt your long-term growth. The constant noise and decision fatigue are designed to make you feel like you need to do something all the time. But what if the smartest move was to do less? This brings us to the lazy investing philosophy, a powerful psychological shift championed by the legendary founder of Vanguard, John Bogle. This isn't about being lazy, it's about being smart. It's about building a simple, automated wealth-building machine that you don't have to constantly tinker with. It's a system designed to protect you from your own worst instincts. Instead of trying to find the single needle in the haystack, you simply buy the whole haystack. This philosophy is about letting your money do the heavy lifting so you can focus on living your life. The 3 ETF Wealth Machine Portfolio. So, how do you do it? How do you buy the haystack and own the entire market? You can do it with a simple 3-fund portfolio. Here is the exact breakdown. First, the foundation of your portfolio. 40% goes into VTI, the Vanguard Total Stock Market ETF. Think of this as a bedrock. With this one fund, you own a small piece of thousands of companies across the entire US stock market, from the largest corporations down to smaller, growing businesses. Next, we add a growth kicker. 30% goes into VUG, the Vanguard Growth ETF. This fund focuses on large US companies that are expected to grow faster than the overall market. This is your exposure to major innovators and industry leaders, adding an extra engine for potential growth to your portfolio. Finally, we add a global stabilizer. 30% goes into VXUS, the Vanguard Total International Stock ETF. Your wealth shouldn't be tied to the success of just one country. This fund gives you ownership in thousands of companies outside of the United States, from Europe to Asia. It's a crucial layer of diversification that helps protect your wealth no matter which global market is leading the way. Your path to autopilot wealth. And that's it. VTI, VUG, and VXUS. This 3-fund system is designed to put your wealth building on autopilot. You are diversified across the US market, you have a tilt towards growth, and you are stabilized with global holdings. You no longer have to second-guess yourself. You no longer have to worry about what the market is doing day to day. You've built your machine, and now you can let it work for you over the long term. This is how you stop stressing and start building. If this simple yet powerful approach to investing resonates with you, hit the like button and subscribe for more content on mastering your financial psychology. I have a question for you. What's the one financial decision causing you the most stress right now? Let me know in the comments below.